Hi Priya, welcome to On the Spot.
Hi.
I have 6 questions for you.
Okay, cool.
Number 1, why do you train?
I like to keep fit, look after myself, and it's a bit of social interaction.
Get out of the house?
Get out of the house. Get out of bed.
Yeah. Number 2, why do you train at Elements Sport?
I think again, it's the community. I really like that, and also I like the classes. The HIIT classes are really good.
Number 3, what type of training do you enjoy the most?
Definitely the weight training. The HIIT's definitely as well, but I like the weight
Why do you enjoy the weights?
because I'm able to see how strong I've become. So from the day dot to now, it's just
More measurable?
more measurable. Yeah.
What have you learnt about yourself since being at Elements Sport?
A lot. I guess that I can do stuff. So I'm challenging the thoughts that I used to have and seeing how much they've changed. Yeah, that's good.
What would be your advice to someone looking to start?
Just as everybody else has said, just get in and do it. And I guess, if you're not sure, ask questions. The PTs are really good because it tells you they just show how it's done, and yeah.
Whichever.
Yeah.
Number 6, name 3 things that have supported greater success in regards to your fitness and health.
More awareness around the food that I'm consuming, and the commitment to the classes, and just being held accountable for that. So yeah.
Good answers. Thank you very much.